Alright, you gotta be careful.
I used to bounce on knees, fresh from the oven, chubby and carefree. I had a mind at ease. Now I oversee the trees, birds and the beasts and the man and his empty deeds. I see everything. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down.
Keep the press out. The rule I learned from Steven Spielberg was taught to me while we were developing a screenplay Jim Hagan and I had sold to Amblin called Nuclear Family, Tease. It's a fun, special effects-laden fantasy, but it has a message too. In the end, each of them gives up their powers. Being successful, they find, is not as important as being a family. You'll notice that there are no news crews in E.T., the story of an extraterrestrial creature who comes to Earth and into the lives of a similar cul-de-sac dwelling family. Spielberg discovered that it blew the reality of the premise to invite the press in. By keeping it contained among the family and on the block, by essentially keeping the secret between them and us, the audience, the magic stayed real. When you think about it, to bring the press into E.T. would indeed have ruined it. The term breaking the fourth wall springs to mind.
Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue.
In a quarter mile, use the right 3 lanes to continue on State Highway 71 West, East Bend Y Boulevard.
Down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop. It is my time. 'Cause I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this.
Continue on McCall Lane for half a mile.
Yeah, I am on my way up.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto McKinney Falls Parkway.
Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. It's like to be broken, and I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way.
Are y'all ready? We're almost there. Look at the album, Rolo.
'Cause I am on my way. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way. I won't slow down.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. Really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah.
All their supplies. They got water, leashes, ball, blankets. And they're being really pushy, so let me get them. Alright, come on. Got Max, Cappy, Alvin, and Rubber. Oh shit! Hush! 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 Cappy! 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 Alright, yo. Come over here, let's get in. Come on, let's get in. Alright, ready? Alright, come here, Cappy. I will get Max. We got Max, Cappy. We got Cappy, Alvin. Oh shit! Oh my goodness! Now we got Rubber. All right. We're at McKinney Falls State Park in Austin, Texas, and it's about 7:30 in the morning, maybe 8 o'clock. Let's see what time. It's 8 o'clock. And we're going to the falls. They have an upper and a lower falls. And the doggies are in the back. Hey doggies. You guys ready? You are. You ready to go? Max, you ready? Noah, you ready? All right. All right, let's go. Yes. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Oh boy, look how pretty this is. Come on, Roro. Hey guys. Over this way. Wow, look how pretty. I think normally like the water is a little higher because it's pretty much a drought right now. So when the water's high though, it comes over there and makes, that's why they call it McKinney Falls. So. That's pretty. Look at that. Look how pretty this is. How did... Well, there's a little bit of falls. Look, just a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit. Look at that. Pose. Look how pretty this is. Come on, Roro. Roro girl. What do you guys catch?
Catfish, a bass. I never fished out here before. I didn't get here either, but I just wanted to come check it out. I'm gonna walk up there actually.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not gonna start fishing yet. I was just showing him. He's never been here.
Oh yeah.
A month and a half ago, it was higher than this.
Oh really? Yeah. Wow. So were the falls like bigger?
Oh yeah, they were flowing a lot more. The water was up higher on me. This place is packed.
Really?
It's calm like this.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, I came out here on a Saturday afternoon and it was packed.
Like people swimming and everything?
Yeah.
Did you get your water? That was good, huh? You like that? Max, get your water. Here, Max, get you some water. Here, Max. Max. Why are you following me around? Whoa. Thanks. Roro, come on, girl. Alright, y'all come up here. Come on, be careful. They like that very much. A lot of fun. I think we're gonna have to go back now. let y'all cool off a little bit. All right, we were here for a little while. And, they drank tons of water, but they're still hot. So Roro and Kepi are the two that get super hot. So I have to keep my eye on those two. Kepi, bless his heart, he wants to go so bad, but he just gets hot. All right, here we are. Y'all ready? You ready, go draw?
I had a Monday